Let's talk about 3 plugins that you should be using and you are not. The third one on the list would be Geolayer 3. Geolayer 3 will let you make professional grade maps in After Effects. Have the ability to connect After Effects to imagery tilesets for up-to-date maps, and it provides you direct access to all kinds of geospatial features. For example, it gives you the ability to animate After Effects shape layers, highlight certain country borders, streets, lakes, rivers, places, label regions, animate routes, extrude buildings, and whatnot. Just everything that you need. That's what Geolayer does for you. So it's instead of you to go and create all of these things as vectors in Illustrator and bring them in After Effects to animate it manually. What Geolayer does is it gives you the ability to connect to real-time maps in real life and gives you ability to animate the same, give you ability to work with them in 3D. So I believe that's a very, very, very huge feature that Geolayer has got for you. The second on my list today would be Img Paster. Img, or what I call Img Paster. What this tool does for you is, you know that time when you're trying to maybe copy a picture or graphic from the web, download it, and it comes in a format that's not accepted in After Effects or Photoshop. So, but you can copy and paste. Sometimes you copy and paste, it doesn't work fine. So what Img Paster does is it gives you an ability to copy it and paste it, and it's coming in the same format and dimensions which you saw it on the web. Number 1 on this list is AEUX. Now, this tool, I like it a lot because it helps my workflow. What does it do? This tool lets you pre-compose precompositions or pre-compose files. For example, let's say you're working in After Effects and you have pre-composed some layers. If you want to pre-compose them, you know there's no pre-compose button. So this tool gives you a one-click on pre-compose button in After Effects. I believe it's going to help you because that's helping my workflow. You know, for example, if I generate my captions in Premiere Pro, as let's say I want to animate them in After Effects, normally I'll push them as graphics in Premiere Pro and they become text layers. If I use dynamic link to bring them over to After Effects, they come in as a pre-composed file, so I cannot apply most of my text animations directly on that, and this makes the work buggy. But with the use of AEUX, I'll just easily pre-compose it by clicking just one button, then continue my text animations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you follow me, you like, and share with your friends so that other people can see it. In the next video, we are going to talk about this particular method of editing in Premiere Pro that has made me to work 3 times faster than I used to before. See you on the next one.